Afternoon. We're still here live at Gatorland. A couple things I just did. I was able to sit on top of a live gator with its mouth shut, taped shut, of course. Um, I don't. Why is that? I mean, come on, it's Gatorland. You gotta learn how to deal with it. Anyway, so I got to sit on top of a live gator, and then just a few moments ago, I was able to feed the gators inside their enclosure near the swamp. I was actually in their habitat, in their home, and just standing and feeding them like anything else. Uh, I wasn't nervous. I wasn't. Well, I was a little bit nervous because are they don't have their mouths taped shut, but I was able to actually hand feed them and get a photo with them, the gators. And so what I should have done is just sat on top of one, but I don't think they would allow that. Anyway, so now there's another show at 2 o'clock. I'm going to go, it's called Up Close Encounters, and I'm going to see what that show is, and just watch that show, and then I think after that I'm going to head out. We're going to stop at one more place, uh, and then we'll probably end up heading back home. It depends on what goes on. I'm gonna try to find the Halloween store too today. At some point, I'll either wait and head back home to do that, or I'm gonna find one here in Orlando. Um, I was gonna try to go to Disney Springs, but I doubt we're gonna make it there today. But I will go back eventually. Um, Probably. I don't know about Saturday. I probably won't go Saturday because it'll be packed. But I'm trying to go on a different day. Like I said, during the week is most likely better option, and we'll see how that goes. So right now I'm gonna head over to the show. It starts here in about 20 minutes. So we're gonna get over there and get a seat here shortly. I'm gonna try to find something to eat. I may stop at Chick-fil-A on the way back, but nevertheless, be able to go and see some more live animals in action. Can't wait to see. So, come on. And of course, we're gonna. And then the draws over there. I like it. So let's go ahead and head over towards Up Close Encounters and uh, see what's what. Cannot wait to see what goes on here. Uh, Walking now, just kind of enjoying the area. This is a very, very cool place. Um, I I love it. Uh, it's not open yet, so this is where the Up Close Encounter show is at 2 o'clock. I guess they don't open uh, unless I passed it for some strange reason. I guess this is where you enter in, right here. Yeah, Up Close Encounters. It's showtime. see what's what. And have some fun. So we'll see y'all in the future.